Find or read reviews that people are talking about VisualPower 3000A portable car jump starter. Why you should choose. Powerful 3000A and ultra-portable performance with a 3000A peak current, this portable jump starter for car easily starts 12-volt vehicles, including up to 6.0L gas and 4.0L diesel engines. One full charge supports multiple jump starts, providing a dependable car battery jump starter solution for cars, trucks, SUVs, and motorcycles during daily use or unexpected roadside emergencies. Compact and rugged design. Compact size fits easily in glove box, no bulky design. The unit features a durable, impact-resistant outer shell and is built for long-term storage in your vehicle. The complete kit includes everything needed: the 3000A jump starter, smart battery clamps, and a USB charging cable. No extra purchases required to get back on the road. Premium hard case for maximum protection. A key highlight is the included sturdy hard carrying case, which effectively protects the jumper box for car battery portable and all accessories from impact and dust. Unlike flimsy storage bags, this compact hard case is easy to store in your glove box, ensuring your portable car jumper remains organized and durable. Advanced 9-tier smart safety protection equipped with intelligent safety clamps that provide 9 integrated protections: reverse polarity, short circuit, overcurrent, and anti-spark. This car jumper starter portable ensures safe operation for all users, preventing damage to both the vehicle and the device, making it a reliable car emergency kit essential. Multifunctional emergency and power bank. More than a jump starter, it's a fast-charging power bank to charge smartphones and tablets. The integrated LED light features 3 modes: steady, strobe, and SOS, providing essential visibility and signaling assistance for nighttime maintenance or outdoor travel. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.